Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now when I say we got a good one, we got a good one. Now stick around to the end of the video to see if this one gets the golden plunger. All right, let's get started. This is a 2025 Forest River Salem Hemisphere, model number 261FKRB. The length on this Hemisphere is 31 feet 5 inches. The dry weight is 7,553. The hitch weight is 1,035 with a GVWR of 9,835.
We really think you are going to love this one. But before we get started, if you've ever been concerned about the safety of your campers for any reason, take a quick minute and watch our video with Proven Industries about some of their products. We think you are going to be very impressed with them. J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, so right up here at the front, you see we are going to have a power tongue jack. Your propane bottles will go there, and your batteries will mount right back there. For those who are interested in frames, this one is going to ride on a BAL frame. Now, when we say Forest River has stepped up their game for this year,
Yeah,
they most definitely have. You are going to love the inside, but guys, I think Forest River put some of the biggest slides on their travel trailers. They are extremely deep. These are rack and pinion.
Yeah, rack and pinion slides.
Let me see if I can find, well, let's see. There's a spare under there. Where's the dump area?
Back here.
It's back here. So, yeah, very easy to get to. You've got some storage area here. This is going to be underneath your bed. Let's go right here. You're going to have an outside shower. Your connections is going to be there. Tank pool is down there next to your clean out area. Here on the back, you are prepped for a Lippert ladder and also prepped for a backup camera. You are going to have a hitch for an accessory rack. Coming around here on your campsite, you have got a 22-foot awning. Oh my word, that's a long awning.
Yeah, it's big.
It is long. They do give you a support in the middle of it, so help support that length. That is really nice. Right back here at the back, you're going to have a mini fridge. And your propane quick connect is going to be right down under it. And this also has power stabilizers.
Tankless water heater.
Forest River puts a wide stance suspension on these hemispheres. So you'll notice there is a good bit of space in between your axles. Let's see. Right up here, you do have a place where you can bring a TV out. And now this is not a pass-through storage. This is a front kitchen model. So you're going to have a smaller amount of storage up front, but you do have that big area underneath your bed.
Yeah.
So, okay, when we say it takes a lot to impress us with a travel trailer, it really does.
With so many that we've already covered and seen.
But this one impressed us.
Yeah.
So we think you guys are going to like it.
And stick around and see if this one gets the
golden plunger.
Golden plunger.
Absolutely. All right. Well, this is a front kitchen model. So just right off the bat, probably one of my favorite things that they have done is to not put a dinette in here. They give you this really nice elevated bar area with a couple of nice bar stools. You have power and USB under there. And right here at the door is your pantry area.
Wow, that is good.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Oh,
And yeah, there is a light in there. And I love
and a
that
plug-in.
Oh,
There's a plug-in right on the inside right there. Yeah.
there we go. Yes, and I love that they've redone these doors, so they give you this little frosted glass.
I like it.
Very nice. All of your controls are going to be just right here. Your JBL sound, your lights.
And they do have dimmable function
Yes,
on these.
yes, and your
lights.
dimmer slide is right there. So yeah, they have these great LED light strips through the ceiling. There's one of your AC units. We'll just go ahead and move into this front kitchen.
gosh.
You've got a 40-inch TV mounted up here. Nice big drawers underneath it. Now these are not solid surface countertops. These are the thermofoil. But
they're
look,
really nice.
they give you a plug-in right
Yeah.
there. Your heating's going to be in your cabinetry. Coming back into the kitchen. A little bit smaller microwave, but hey, it gets the job done. It's basically the same size as ours. 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and they give you a matching drawer under it. That's a nice big drawer too.
All right, how you like this? What they done
I
here?
love this. Y'all tell us what you think. Now, usually open storage is not my thing, but the way they incorporated this, it looks very nice. Now, you can't put anything on it going down the road, obviously, but once you get to your destination, this is a great place to put your spices and things. A couple of little hooks up there.
Oh. Yes.
Yes, strutted doors across the top.
All right.
Nice big single basin sink. High-rise faucet. This is going to be, you're going to be able to look out your windshield. Very nice. Which this windshield has got a pleated shade. So if you need to block,
Yeah.
so if you need to block out the sun, you can do it. Plenty of room under here for a garbage can. More great storage. And then these really neat drawers. So this is the reason that you don't have a lot of pass-through storage at the front, but oh my goodness, everybody needs storage in their kitchen. And then you have another, like a little mini pantry over here. So this is just awesome. And there is so much floor space in this kitchen. So
Very
easily get 2 people or 3 people working in a kitchen. You've got a 12-volt compressor fridge in here. And like I had pointed out on the outside, Forest River does these really deep slides. So that means you've got this really nice theater seat here. Pull down armrest, cup holders. Plug in here. And yeah, so if you have a seat on your theater seating, your TV does swivel, but you don't even need to swivel. You can see it just fine. So very, very nice.
Yeah.
And behind your refrigerator, you have these cubbies here, and they're actually pretty deep, so that's a great place to stash some books or your snacks if you don't want anybody else to find them. They are doing these really big squared off windows with the integrated shades. Absolutely love that. They give you hooks up here for jackets or your dog leashes. Another plug-in down there. Again, your heating is going to be in your cabinetry, not in the floor. And what do you guys think about this lighter flooring?
I like this.
I am liking it because it makes it look so bright in here. This particular unit does have a slight barrel roof to it, so it's got a little bit of curvature. Gives you a little extra height there in the middle.
There's a lot of room in that kitchen.
There is so much room in this kitchen.
All right, you ready for the next one?
We are. All right. This bedroom is just amazing. Again, another really deep slide, so your bed's going to be back.
80.
So it is a
80 by 66.
okay.
Yeah.
I know Forest River calls this a king, but it's really like an Olympic queen.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not quite king size, but it's bigger than a queen. Storage underneath, again, you could see that from the outside, but they give you these wonderful baskets right here at the foot of the bed. Nice padded headboard. You've got shelves on both sides. A light switch up there. The nice squared off windows again with the integrated shades. Y'all, look how much space there is right there. That is just amazing. You can actually stand here and make up the bed.
Yes.
Now, at the foot of the bed. Wow. Again, I love that they gave you a vanity area in here. That's just amazing, with a backlit mirror. So you've got all of these drawers. They give you a fireplace in here. And they even include the really neat little stool there to go in front of that vanity area. But there's more. You also have this hanging area, and then these great shelves underneath. Your fuses are going to be in here. I actually like that they're covered up. I think that helps muffle the sound of them, because believe it or not, that thing can get loud.
Yep.
Your second AC unit is in the bedroom. Oh my goodness. Your TV hookups are right up behind your head.
Ah, sorry.
I'm not exactly sure how that will work with that mirror there. But no, if you put a smaller TV in there, it would work just great.
Yeah.
All right. Let me get over here, and we'll show you
No, you can't look at this.
the very back.
Are you sure you're ready?
Oh, guys, this has got a rear bath. Now, Jeremy is 6 feet tall. There is a skylight.
And it is done so good.
It is very well done. It is a 30 by 40
Yeah.
with the sliding door. Plenty of room in this shower.
Wow.
This is going to be at the very back. You do have a window that will open. It's going to be right above your porcelain foot flush toilet with massive amount of space around it.
Holy.
Yeah, great area here for your pantry. Goodness.
Linen.
Linen. Yeah, whatever you put towels in.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Like a little
Nice
shelf.
shelves. Those are actually very pretty. You're going to have dual sinks in here.
Wow.
Again, a lot of times when they put 2 sinks in a bathroom, you lose space, but not in here. You've
This
got
is really
storage
good.
underneath, open storage down there at the bottom, a big old mirror. Is that a technical term? Big old
Big
mirror?
old mirror. Yeah.
It is a big old mirror, and it's backlit, and it just looks absolutely amazing. You do have a towel ring up here and a plug-in, but there's more. Of course there's more.
Yeah.
You also have this closet for hanging, storage, stackable washer dryer. They give you hooks behind the door. I love that. I mean, this is just super well done. So, what do you guys think? Do you think it's going to get the Golden Plunger Award? Absolutely.
Absolutely.
For sure.
For sure. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, guys, look how much floor space is in that bathroom.
And for those that love rear bathroom models,
Yeah, this is one. Like we said
fantastic.
when we were coming in the door, it takes a lot to impress us with a travel trailer, but this one has managed to do it.
all right, everybody, if you like this Forest River Salem Hemisphere with this huge front kitchen, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs out. Hey, and a big old shout out to Proven Industries for partnering with J&A Review. Thanks, everybody.